how to see watch history on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to view your watch history on TikTok? Then you're in the right place. Let's get started. Open up your TikTok app, head over to your profile in the bottom right corner, go to the three lines in the top right, and go to Settings and Privacy. Now, scroll down and under Content and Display, go to Activity Center and you can see Watch History there. Tap on it. And now you can see all of your watch history here. You can even tap on filter option and you can filter according to date. Like you can view yesterday's watch history, last week's watch history, last month's, or even put in a custom date range. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.